Here's a tutorial on how to make these 3D flower petals, and these are the materials you will need: organdy, bias tape, copper wire, scissors, glue, and your pencil. Cut out your desired shape, making sure to add up to ½ inch allowance around it. Please note that you can cut out your desired shape on a pattern paper first before transferring it to your fabric. Anyone that works for you is fine. Use your pencil to trace out the actual shape you want. So I did it this way because I didn't want a very uniform shape for the petals. Proceed to add glue to the drawn shape. Leave it to dry up a bit, then place the copper wire on it. While at it, be careful with the glue so it doesn't mess up the fabric. Fold the fabric inwards to cover the copper wire and trim off the excess fabric. Now take it to your sewing machine and attach the bias tape along the edge to finish up the petal. And that's it, your flower design is ready. Please note that you can go ahead to embellish it however you like.